In today's video, we are going to show you how to build your very own digital storefront using Zaap AI. Just a quick heads up, this video is part of our Zaap tutorial series where we walk you through everything you need to fully maximize the platform. So if you haven't checked out the earlier videos yet, make sure to go back and watch those first to get the basics down. But before we dive in, the very first thing you need to do is create your Zaap account. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. All I have to do is go to the official website, which is Zaap AI. And as always, if you are ready to get started, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description because it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now, having said all of that, click the sign up button. This will forward you to the account creation page. All I have to do here is super simple. Enter your business or personal email, create your unique password, and to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Google, your TikTok, or your Twitter or X account. And then, now here, all you have to do is super simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions because Zaap will help you create a personalized interface depending on your answers. If you want to safely skip all of these, you can do that as well. And of course, you can choose your layout from all these templates that is given. But if you want to skip this, it's okay. So in my case, I'm going to be choosing this one right here. And click the continue button. And just like that, you'll land on the dashboard. That's where the magic begins. You will see different sections where you can manage your audience, communities, social media, email marketing, automations, blog, until analytics. Don't worry, it feels overwhelming, but we have already covered this in a separate video. You might want to check that on our Zaap beginner tutorial series. Now, the key parts that we need to use to build the storefront is actually the page. Since we already have it here, to start building, we simply need a name, branding, layout. Basically, during the account creation setup, since we did not skip all of the on-screen sections, we were able to do that. Now, it's time to add what we are selling. Okay, so we need to create our first product. So hover down to the commerce section and go to the products. Since we don't have any product, this is a newly created account, we are going to guide you on how to create a product. So click the button right here. You can choose from any of the following services. You can use calendar booking, digital product, memberships, and tickets. Remember, since we already chose the Pro plan during the account creation, we are limited to choosing calendar booking and digital product. But if you want to sell memberships and tickets, you might want to need to subscribe to the Ultra plan. In our case, I am going to choose the digital product. Click the continue button. Now this is where everything comes together. Go ahead and enter a clear and compelling name for your product. Something that instantly tells your audience what they're getting. For example, I have this product name. And of course, you have the product description. Now let's talk about pricing. This is where you choose how you want to sell your product. So you have three options. It could be free if you want to offer your product at no cost and build your audience. If you want a single payment, charge a one-time fee for full access, which is great for courses or digital products. And of course, pay what you want. Let your customer decide how much they'd like to pay. This works really well for community-driven value or value-based products. Now, choose the option that best fits your goals and your audience. In my case, I'm going to choose the free option and click the next step. Okay, so after that, you'll notice that you have four main sections to complete. You have the product, content, page, and checkout. Now, for the product, this is going to be the focus of the product section. You can configure and edit the core details of what you are selling, product name, description, product URL, and of course, the category, which is optional and only accessible via the Ultra plan. Next section is going to be the content. Once a purchase is successful, your customer will see a message like this. Okay, so this is what happens after a customer completes their checkout. For example, if you want to change this, all I have to do is click the message box, type in your personalized message. Now, depending on your product, you might also want to give them instant access. That's where the next step comes in, adding files and links. You can manage your product content by uploading files or attaching links. This could be things like digital downloads, course access links, PDFs or guide, or any external resources your customer needs. For example, I'm going to add a content and add to product. Take a moment here to upload your files or paste in your links and make sure everything is ready before you go live and click the Save Changes. Alright, now let's move on to customizing the look and feel of your storefront. This is where you really make your page stand out. So you have the theme settings. You can choose from the light if you wanted or go for the dark. It's up to you. It's a matter of preferences. Choose what best describes and reflect your brand logo and identity. Here, you can also choose the buttons. You can choose from a different color palette if you wanted. For example, let's say we're going to be choosing this one instead. Around here, apply color. And if you want to show a back button, you can do that as well. If you want to display a header image, you can do that as well. And of course, the most important part is do not forget the image carousel. This allows you to upload multiple images of your product to showcase your offering. Now, use high quality visuals here like different angles, features, or even lifestyle shots to really sell your product. And that's it. With just these simple customizations, your storefront will look more professional, engaging, and ready to convert visitors into customers. If you want to add blocks here, you can do that as well. You can choose from different 3 boxes, horizontal, vertical, and a lot more. Let's say if you wanted to add in FAQs, review, you can do that as well. For example, let's say we are going to add FAQ section title and the question plus the answer. Click the save button. Okay, so after that is the checkout section. This is what your customers will see right after they complete the purchase, which is a great opportunity to leave a positive impression. So by default, you have the thanks for your order and you can customize this message. Just keep it within the 150 character limit. If you want to maybe add a personal touch like something, let's say we're going to add a new message here. And if you want to add a question like click add a new question, you can do that as well. And click the next button. And if you want to add more, you can do that as well. Now, the upsell products is only available on the Ultra plan. Because here, after a customer completes their purchase, you can offer additional products and they can easily add these to their order. After that is the confirmation email settings. You have 2 options. If you want it enabled automatically sending confirmation emails to customers, you can do that. But if you disabled it, you will need to use third-party tools like automation platforms instead. So if you want a simple setup. And lastly, we have tags. Tags are a powerful way to organize your customers. For example, you can tag your customers as something like this and create a tag. All right? Create a tag name right here. And once you've done that, congratulations. We are almost finished. But before that, I want you to check the intuitiveness using the mobile view and the desktop view. Once everything looks good, take a moment to preview your storefront by clicking the view page. Make sure your images looks great, your pricing is correct, your checkout process works smoothly right here. Once you are happy, all I have to do at this point is go back and then hit publish. And just like that, your digital storefront is live. You can also copy the URL and add it to your website if you want to drive more traffic. And that's it. You've successfully built your digital storefront using Zaap AI. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and explore the rest of our Zaap tutorial series. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, if you are ready to get started, use our affiliate link in the video description below because it helps the channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.